Geometry 7-2, Example 2. Is there a composition of transformations that maps XYZ to triangle JKL? So we're starting at the small one and we're mapping to the big one. We're going to have to rotate and enlarge in order to make this work. So let's start by rotating. If we rotate 180 degrees, rotate 180 degrees about the origin, that means that the rule for 180 rotation is to take X and Y and change them to negative X, negative Y. So if we look at X was at 2, 1, so we would change it to negative 2, negative 1. And then we would take Z. Well, we'll go with Y. We'll go in order. Y is at 1, 4. So Y prime would be at negative 1, negative 4. And Z would be at is at 4, 1, so Z prime would be at negative 4, negative 1. So we have successfully rotated 180 degrees. And then, remember, in a composition, we have to put the second thing we did over here. We need to figure out how big we enlarged to go from the small one to the big one. So let's count this side right here is 2, and this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put the new over the old, or we call that the image over the pre-image, and that is a scale factor of 2, so we call that a dilation of 2 on a rotation of 180 degrees. The triad asks you to think about, could we perform this particular one in the reverse order and would it still work? And do you think your answer holds for all compositions or transformations? And explain. The answer to this question in this particular case is yes. We could reverse the order. However, this doesn't work in all cases. We'll say in all situations. So it does in this particular example, but it won't in every situation. So remember to always do your compositions in the correct order.